It's the producer.
What's going on, YouTubers? What's going on, Gunners, man? So we had a little malfunction last time when we tried to put Maddie's motor in. Found out that the post mount was actually wrong. I don't know who switched it over from whoever he purchased it from, but I got the right post mount. The motor mounts were correct the entire... 40? Say hello.
Hello, my
Hello,
man.
everybody.
Everybody.
So yeah, so today I'm gonna attempt number 2 to put the motor in. I'm gonna slap the header on now to make my life easier, so I don't have to be back there all twisted up. And yeah, so we're gonna kick ass. Keep gunning. So yeah, I'm utilizing the new vane stand that we got from Chris and my boy Dirty out in the West in California. Awesome stand. It's gonna make our life super easy. So what I want to do is right now is I just want to put the header on, so I don't have to deal with it while I'm inside. You know, while the motor's inside, and I'm over here killing myself trying to bolt this guy up, because actually the header really doesn't get in the way when you're putting the swap in, because the way that it's, you know, it's just sunk. And this is just, I believe, just like a high-tech replica big tube. It's nothing super crazy, nothing super expensive. I think Maddie got to pick it up for like 200 bucks, give or take. So I'll just put the threads in by hand first, and then I could use the swivel 14 with the extension on the snap-on gun. The reason I'm using the snap-on gun is because it's weaker than the Milwaukee. So I'm not really trying to snap anything in here. And I don't want to sit here forever. So that's there. Probably go over it by hand, but I'm just zipping this down. That's it, and I don't really have to worry about the header anymore. And what's so great about the swivel is that it actually hits every angle. And that's what makes life easy. Remember, let me finish this last bolt. Remember, basically what this channel is about is to just keep you guys informed and keep you in the loop on how to work easier so your shit doesn't look bad. And that's it. We're gonna set up some tools, we're gonna set up the lift, and we're gonna put this bad boy in. Enjoy. Alright, so 40's gonna work the lift, and I'm gonna guide the motor through. Go ahead, 40, come down. I'm gonna wait until I can actually get over the engine bay so I can see which direction it goes. So what you have to be careful with is that the oil filter doesn't hit the subframe, and at the same moment your intake manifold doesn't hit your radiator support. Here we go. Okay, slow, slow. Good. Dale. Go, 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 go. Beautiful, go. Okay. Okay, slow down. Okay, go. Okay, slow. Go. Go. Okay, stop. Alright, so I have to swing the motor over to the left because I don't want the transmission to hit. Okay, go down slow. Go down slow. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Easy, go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop right there. And push this guy back a bit. Like, go down a little bit. Go. 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 Okay, stop. Alright, let's see how far off my mount is here. Oh yeah, you can see the huge difference. Alright, motor's basically in. So what we'll do now is I'll just get the long bolt to go through the motor mount post over here. Let's see if I could swing that for you there. I'm actually using my tripod. Long bolt here, move the motor back a little bit, bolt it up, put the transmission mount on, and I'm all set. Alright, so we got the transmission mount on now. I'm just going to bolt it up. It'll suck it up, pause, and that's it. Give me a swivel 17. Swivel 17. Okay, perfect. That's it. This swap is in. We're golden, boys. Double check everything else, but here we go. Go ahead, lift it up, 40. Go up, baby. That's it. She's in. That's it. She's in. Cart stays on the ground. The cart just dropped, and that's it. We just take off the arms, and the swap is in. Alright, so when using the vane stand, that's it. So you leave the cart on, you put the swap in to move it around, you take out the bolts. Honestly, I don't use the bolts on the bottom because it's measured so perfectly. And then all you do is just remove the arms. So I've got a 13 on this side. Give that to my boy here. I don't need this. Swap that out. I got a 14 or a 9/16 on the other end, right under the water pump. And they give you all the screws that you need. Everything provided, they give you all of it. Washers, nuts, bolts, everything that you need. And our last one is here. I can take this one out by hand. Or no. You guys have literally watched me put a K-Series car together in front of your eyes on Instagram. This would be somewhere where someone would charge you about $8,000 to $1,000. When using your head and working smart, you can save a bunch of money. Measure twice. You cut once. Thank you, Cunha. And that's it. We're done here. Vane stand is all put together. Guys, no hype. This stand is the shit. Bottom fucking line. Thank you so much, Vane. You made my life and 40's life easier. Alright, so here's a little trick with the back mount. So before actually putting it on to the transmission, don't put the bracket up all the way yet. Stick the 17s through it first, because you're going to have a hard time. You're going to hit the header if you try to do it when you line it up. So get the 17s in position, both of them, for the back bracket. Push them out a little bit. Just going to move that into the insert on the top. We're just trying to find our position up top onto the motor mount. Yep. You have to hit that up. Alright, let me get a pry bar. Yeah, right there. Use it on this end. And you'll see it. You'll see it go up. Okay, right there. Money. Money. And then you can just thread it in. Right there. Done. Let me see the light here. Woody, grab this. See the light? Right there, guys. I don't know if my lighting is helping out here. So you got the two 17s. Thread them in by hand, and you use the ratchet wrench. So boom, we'll just snug those down a bit. We'll snug those down. We're not going fully tight on that. We're not. You're covering it, boss. You gotta learn how to hold lighting, bro. Right there. We're not fully tightening these because we still have to add the back nut and bolt on the top. But we're just getting this close enough to where it doesn't move around up top. And that's it. Tighten the 217s, then you move up top. Keep fucking gunning. So now we're just hitting this on this end to tighten up the transmission motor mount, and every motor mount is now fully tightened. We did the back one, and we're golden. That's it. This motor is steady. Now what's left is to run the harness inside, start working on the radiator support. Start working on, the radiator support. We got to set up the traction bar with the radiator hinges. But, we're almost home. We're at like 85%. Got to get some hoses, and we're almost set. All right, guys. So I ran the clutch line behind the motor mount here. Comes off the S2000 pump that we used with spacer. We used the K-tuned line. Came with all the fittings that we needed, real nice. Honestly, I'm out of material. I'm waiting for spindles to come back with the 36mm hubs. Some hose ends for the heat, and just one more fitting for the regulator, so we can just add that through there to the fuel rail, and we're almost all set. So the swap is in. I'll keep this one a little bit short. I hope you guys picked up some gems from this. Please, hold on, let me look at you. I'm learning. Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe, man. Share the page with everyone. It means a lot to me that you guys support me. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me so far. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for believing in me. I'm just trying to help you guys as much as I can, and at the same time put out some great content. So I can't wait to actually start racing. Hopefully, Jamie's in Cancun right now, so hopefully when he gets back, we can maybe hit a test and tune. My next event is I'm going to a car show next month on the 26th at MetLife Stadium, the Clean Culture Expo, and we're gonna have some fun there. I think I'm gonna rent a dunk tank and fucking have you guys try to dunk me. Pause. And from there, June 2nd, we go to Maryland and we go race. But for now, we're working on Maddie's car. I'm kicking so much ass, I'm missing parts now. So enjoy the vlog, man. You've seen it all right here. We started with a single cam, how to freaking take it out. And this is where we're at right now. Thank you so much, man. Like, comment, subscribe. In the description, I always leave the website for my merchandise and my Instagram. So keep gunning, man. Thank you for supporting.